Earlier this year, we set up a security camera from EZVIZ. And today, we're installing another one from EZVIZ, but this one records at 3K resolution, and it comes shipped to your door with everything you'll need to get started. Inside the box, you have a quick start guide, your power cable, cable connector seals, hardware, a drill template, and then your HA Pro security camera. On top, you have a power button, as well as a micro SD card slot. Then on the back, you have mounting holes to secure it to a wall. To get started, download the EZVIZ app to your phone, then select Add Device. Select Cameras, and then scan the QR code on the back of the camera. Once it finds the camera, make sure that it's powered on, then click Next. Now we're going to connect it to Wi-Fi. When the camera is flashing blue, click Next. Select your Wi-Fi, and it connects. Name your device and choose location, and then it configures and finishes setup. Now it's time to install. Make sure it's within range of a power outlet and use the drill to screw it down. I plugged it in and ran the cables inside the wall. And like that, the camera was alive and ready to secure our property. The camera has a 340-degree range of panning and an 80-degree range for tilting. It can just about see everything. Now when I log into my EZVIZ app, I can see the camera for our chicken coop, as well as our backyard. Whether the chickens are in their coop or out foraging, I'll be able to make sure they're safe. I can keep an eye on the huskies when they're out relaxing in the sun, and just keep an eye on the property in general. I'm able to watch from my phone, and even from my computer. The quality looks nice, and I just love being able to pan around the yard and see just about everything. Not only that, but the app offers two-way audio, so if my husky is in our blind spot, I can call her over to the back door without ever leaving my desk. It really gets their attention. The app has a ton of cool features too. For instance, you can go back and review clips and see the events that happened in front of your camera. You can even monitor both camera angles at once. Then you can turn on intelligent detection and apply human shape detection, vehicle detection, or gesture recognition, and get updates. With this, your family members or visitors can initiate a video call to your phone by waving at the camera. Then since this camera records at 3K resolution, you can scale in your video and really see what's going on. This camera is also weatherproof and has a durable design. It even has black and white night vision, as well as color night vision. And if that's not enough, it has a spotlight you can turn on to see or scare away intruders. Then if there is an intruder, you can sound the alarm. So yeah, I'm loving my new security camera. It's been so nice to keep an eye on everything from the comfort of my desk. So if you're looking for a nice security system that you can customize to your needs as well, the H8 Pro from EZVIZ might just be for you. Till next time, I'm off to go watch the chickens play some more in the backyard. See ya!